I took on earlier this year the role of sector champion for the offshore wind sector deal with the government. I see offshore wind as such a crucial part of decarbonising the energy system. I think what's been just extraordinary has been the reduction in cost over a very short time. So when we were on the Committee on Climate Change, when we were putting together the fifth carbon budget, that takes us out to 2032, we thought offshore wind was going to be costing something of the order of £120 per megawatt hour. And even then, we thought we would need somewhere around 20 to 25 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2030. In the new analysis we did the middle of this year for our report to Parliament in June, we looked again at a price of something like £60 a megawatt hour. So not surprisingly, our new scenarios tell us that offshore wind will be something between 30 and about 35 gigawatts by 2030 in the most cost-effective path to decarbonising the UK's electricity system. This is about solving our climate change problem, taking a big step towards clean energy, but it's also about providing UK jobs. Offshore wind in the UK is providing jobs in all the sorts of places on the coastline where they really need it, reinvigorating the whole Grimsby area. So it's sort of win-win. It delivers on our carbon targets and it delivers for the economy, it delivers for jobs, and it exploits UK innovation. The success of the offshore wind industry in this country, and indeed the success both in delivering reducing carbon emissions but also in delivering UK jobs and indeed UK exports, is going to come through collaboration. And it's been great to see the way Carbon Trust has been able to be an honest broker and bring together a whole range of different parties through the Offshore Wind Accelerator. The UK has moved into being absolutely number one in the world for offshore wind. We have the largest installed base, 45% of the installed base in Europe, 33% of the global installed base. And the projections for the growth of offshore wind globally in the next 10 years are absolutely huge. I mean, if we can tap in to this growing market based on the extraordinary experience we've developed in the UK, then the export potential is enormous, and I think that's terribly exciting. It's a really important part of the UK's green growth strategy.